Does car insurance cover accidents if the driver was DUI? Have you ever wondered what happens to car insurance coverage if a driver gets into an accident while under the influence of alcohol or drugs? This is a common concern, and understanding the details can help you navigate the situation better. Let's break it down. Generally, car insurance does cover accidents caused by drivers who are under the influence. Most auto insurance policies include liability coverage. This means if a driver is at fault in an accident, their liability insurance typically pays for damages and medical expenses of others involved, even if they were driving under the influence. It is important to note that insurance companies see DUI accidents as unintentional. They are not viewed as deliberate actions. Therefore, the insurer is obligated to pay for damages under the liability portion of the policy. However, there are some important details to keep in mind. After a DUI accident, insurance companies often raise premiums significantly. In some cases, they may even cancel the policy altogether due to the increased risk associated with drunk driving. This can lead to higher costs for the driver in the long run. Coverage can also vary depending on state laws and the specific terms of the insurance policy. Some states have stricter rules that might limit or deny coverage in DUI cases. It is crucial to review local laws and the details of your policy to understand what is covered. Additionally, insurance only covers damages up to the policy limits. If the driver has minimum required coverage, it may not be enough to cover all damages, especially if injuries or property damage are severe. In such cases, victims may need to seek additional compensation through legal means if damages exceed these limits. There are different types of coverage involved. Liability insurance covers damages to others when the insured is at fault, including DUI accidents. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage protects the insured if the at-fault DUI driver has insufficient or no insurance. Collision coverage may cover damage to the insured's own vehicle regardless of fault, but DUI involvement can affect this coverage depending on the insurer. If you find yourself in a DUI accident, it is advisable to contact your insurance provider promptly. This helps you understand your coverage and any potential impact on your policy. Consulting with a legal professional may also be necessary to navigate claims and compensation, especially if the DUI driver's insurance is inadequate. In summary, while car insurance does cover accidents caused by drivers who were DUI, the coverage is subject to policy limits, state regulations, and potential premium increases or cancellations. Being informed about these factors can help you take the right steps to secure compensation and understand your insurance rights.